The Philippines, a group of more than 7,000 islands, green, tropical, and full of life. Volcanoes reach high into the sky. Coral reefs burst with color under clear blue water. Among these islands is Palawan, known as the Philippines' last frontier. It's a place of perfect beaches, old forests, and hidden surprises. Welcome to Puerto-Princesa Subterranean River National Park. This park, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, has something amazing. A river flows underground through a system of caves under a huge limestone mountain range. For many years, this underground river was a secret. Local stories told of mythical creatures and spirits protecting it. Today, we get to explore this hidden place. Get ready to be amazed by nature. Imagine a river, not flowing under the sky, but under the ground. The Puerto-Princesa Subterranean River is just that, an amazing underground river, over 14 miles long. It flows through a maze of caves and underground tunnels. This underground river isn't just a small stream. It's strong, and the ocean tides control its flow. The ocean's tides reach deep inside the mountain, changing the river's rhythm. This creates a special environment, home to many different creatures. The river's journey ends dramatically, flowing straight into the sea. Our trip starts where the river meets the ocean, where sunlight barely reaches the cave entrance. We get into small boats with paddles and let the river carry us. The air feels wet, and we smell damp earth. The only sounds are the water splashing against the boat and dripping water echoing. As we go deeper, it gets dark. Our guide's flashlight shows us the beautiful cave. Long stalactites hang from the ceiling like chandeliers in an underground palace. Flowstone, like frozen waterfalls, flows down the walls. Exploring this underground maze is an experience you feel with all your senses. The moment you step inside, the temperature drops, and the air becomes thick with the scent of earth and minerals. Your footsteps echo, creating a symphony of sounds that blend with the natural acoustics of the cave. You see the amazing cave formations. Stalactites hang like ancient chandeliers, while stalagmites rise from the ground like nature's sculptures. The textures and patterns are a testament to the slow, patient work of water over millennia. But close your eyes and listen. The cave has its own language, a mix of whispers and echoes that tell stories of the past. The sound of water dripping is like a metronome, keeping time in this timeless place. The silence, broken only by dripping water, is almost loud. Each drop reverberates through the cavern, creating a rhythm that is both soothing and eerie. It's a reminder of the cave's slow, constant change. Each drop, like a tiny clock, helped create this underground masterpiece. Breathe in. The air is cool and damp, carrying the scent of minerals and the faint, musty smell of bat droppings. The air is cool and damp and smells like bat droppings. It's a unique scent, one that tells you this place is alive, home to thousands of creatures. Thousands of bats live high in the cave, and their calls make strange sounds. Their wings create a soft rustling, a reminder that this is their domain, a world where humans are just visitors. As we go deeper, the river gets narrower and the ceiling feels closer. The path becomes more challenging, but the sense of adventure grows. Each step takes you further into the heart of the cave, where few have ventured. We are just quick visitors to this hidden world, amazed by its size and beauty. The vast chambers and intricate formations are a reminder of nature's power and patience. This symphony of the senses leaves a lasting impression, a memory of a world both alien and familiar. Coming out of the underground river, we see something different. Above ground, Puerto-Princesa Subterranean River National Park is full of life. The park protects many plants and animals, from tall limestone karst to thick forests, mangrove swamps, and beautiful beaches. Each area has its own special life. The park has over 800 kinds of plants, some only found here. Tall trees covered in vines create a thick roof, blocking the sunlight. This green world is full of nature's sounds. The park is a celebration of life, showing how nature can thrive in surprising places. The park's many plants and animals aren't just what we can easily see. Hidden in the caves and forests are creatures that live in the dark. Bats, for example, are important to the park. The park has over 13 different kinds of bats, some found only here. These nighttime creatures help pollinate plants and control insects. Deep in the caves, without sunlight, life still exists. Troglobites, creatures that live in complete darkness, live in these caves. Every creature, big or small, hidden or not, is important to this environment. Going deeper into the forest, we see some of the park's most interesting animals. The Palawan bearded pig, with hair on its face, looks for food on the ground. These animals are endangered because their homes are disappearing, and people hunt them. High in the trees, the Palawan hornbill calls, its voice echoing. These beautiful birds help spread seeds. The park rangers work hard to protect the animals. Their work gives us hope, reminding us that we can all help protect our planet's treasures. The tall limestone mountains in Puerto-Princesa Subterranean River National Park are more than just a background. They tell ancient stories, showing the powerful forces that shaped our planet millions of years ago. These limestone mountains hold a record of Earth's history. Imagine a time when this whole area was under a shallow tropical sea. Over millions of years, the skeletons of sea creatures built up on the ocean floor, becoming limestone. The mountains rose because of movements in the earth, and then wind and rain wore them down. When you go into the caves, you're entering a world shaped by time and water. Each drop of water, carrying minerals, changes the cave. Over thousands of years, this created an underground wonderland of stalactites, stalagmites, and flowstone. Stalactites hang from the ceiling, formed by dripping water. Stalagmites grow up from the floor, formed by water dripping from stalactites. Sometimes they meet, creating big columns. These formations look like they hold up the whole mountain. The caves in Puerto-Princesa Subterranean River National Park are always changing. Water flows through them, dissolving and leaving minerals, shaping the cave. The colors on the cave walls show the minerals in the water and the geological processes over time. When we walk through these caves, we're traveling through time, seeing the results of geological processes over millions of years. Each bend in the river tells a story of erosion, deposition, and the forces that shaped this underground world. The beauty of Puerto-Princesa Subterranean River National Park shows the power of nature. But this natural wonderland is in danger. One big problem is tourism. Tourism can help protect nature, but it can also hurt delicate environments. The park has rules to limit the impact of visitors. Limiting the number of visitors helps protect the ecosystem. Paths and boardwalks stop people from stepping on plants and disturbing animals. Teaching visitors how to be responsible is important for protecting the park. Protecting a big and complex ecosystem like Puerto-Princesa Subterranean River National Park is difficult. The park faces problems beyond tourism, like deforestation, illegal logging, and mining nearby. These activities can be very harmful to the park. Deforestation destroys animal homes, separates animal populations, and increases soil erosion. Mining can pollute the water and change the way water flows through the underground river. The park authorities, along with local communities and organizations, are working hard to solve these problems. The future of Puerto-Princesa Subterranean River National Park depends on us. This park is not just a local treasure, but a global one, recognized for its stunning natural beauty and unique biodiversity. It is a place where nature thrives, and it is our duty to ensure it remains that way for generations to come. We all need to help this unique ecosystem survive. The park is home to many species of plants and animals that are found nowhere else on Earth. By protecting this area, we are preserving a vital part of our planet's natural heritage. Every action we take can make a difference, no matter how small it may seem. Supporting responsible tourism is important. When we travel, we have the power to choose how our actions impact the environment. By opting for eco-friendly activities and respecting the natural surroundings, we contribute to the conservation efforts. Responsible tourism ensures that the beauty and integrity of the park are maintained. When you visit the park, choose tour companies that protect the environment. Look for operators who prioritize sustainability and have measures in place to minimize their ecological footprint. These companies often work closely with local communities and conservation groups to ensure that tourism benefits both the environment and the people who live there. Follow the park's rules and be careful about your impact. The guidelines are there to protect both the visitors and the natural habitat. By staying on designated trails, not disturbing wildlife, and respecting the park's regulations, we help preserve its pristine condition. Park rangers are there to guide and educate us, so let's listen to their advice. Even small things like bringing your own water bottle and throwing away your trash can help. These simple actions reduce waste and prevent pollution, keeping the park clean and safe for everyone. Every piece of trash properly disposed of and every reusable item used is a step towards a healthier environment. We can also support conservation by telling others about it. Sharing our experiences and knowledge can inspire others to take action. Whether it's through social media, conversations with friends, or community events, spreading the word about the importance of conservation can have a ripple effect, encouraging more people to get involved. Share your experiences and encourage others to learn about protecting our planet. By highlighting the beauty and significance of places like Puerto-Princesa Subterranean River National Park, we can raise awareness and foster a collective sense of responsibility. Our stories and photos can motivate others to visit responsibly and support conservation efforts. By working together, we can make sure this natural treasure is here for future generations. Community efforts, such as cleanup events and educational programs, play a crucial role in maintaining the park's health. When we come together with a shared goal, we can achieve remarkable things. Let's commit to protecting this incredible place and ensuring its beauty endures. Leaving Puerto-Princesa Subterranean River National Park, we take with us more than just memories. We have a new understanding of how powerful and delicate nature is. The journey through the underground river, the amazing caves, the vibrant life above ground, these remind us of how everything is connected. The park shows how amazing the Earth is, but this natural masterpiece is not indestructible. The challenges facing Puerto-Princesa Subterranean River National Park are real. What we do today will decide if future generations can experience this amazing place. The story of Puerto-Princesa Subterranean River National Park is not just a local story. It is a tale that transcends borders and cultures, resonating with people from all walks of life. This park, with its unique subterranean river and lush tropical forest, stands as a testament to the beauty and resilience of nature. It's a story for the whole world, a lesson for our time. In an era where environmental challenges are mounting, the preservation of such natural wonders becomes a beacon of hope and a call to action for global conservation efforts. It reminds us that we are part of nature. The air we breathe, the water we drink, and the food we eat all depend on healthy ecosystems. When we immerse ourselves in places like this, we reconnect with the natural world and remember our role within it. The crystal-clear waters of the river, the vibrant produce at local markets, all these are gifts from nature that we often take for granted. They are the result of intricate ecological processes that have been perfected over millennia. Protecting places like this park isn't just about saving plants and animals or stopping climate change, although those are very important. It's about something more profound. It's about preserving the delicate balance of life that sustains us all. The panoramic views of the tropical forest, the close-up of unique flora, all tell a story of interdependence. Each species, no matter how small, plays a crucial role in maintaining the health of the ecosystem. It's about understanding that nature is valuable and its beauty inspires us to take care of our planet. The majestic landscapes of Puerto-Princesa serve as a reminder of what we stand to lose if we do not act. When tourists take photographs of the river and marvel at the scenic views of the park, they are not just capturing memories. They are also becoming ambassadors for conservation, spreading awareness about the importance of protecting such places. What we learn here in Palawan is important for everyone. Educational tours and research initiatives help us understand the complexities of the ecosystem and the urgent need to preserve it. It reminds us that conservation is not a choice, but something we must do. Conservationists working tirelessly in the field and community efforts to protect the environment show us that collective action can make a difference. It's not just about protecting what we have, but about making sure future generations can live good lives. Volunteers planting trees and activists advocating for environmental policies are paving the way for a sustainable future. The scenic vistas of the park and the preserved natural habitats are a testament to what can be achieved when we prioritize conservation. They are a promise to future generations that they too will be able to experience the wonders of nature. Let's leave this place inspired by nature's strength, how life is connected, and what we can do together. Families enjoying nature and children exploring the forest remind us of the joy and wonder that nature brings into our lives. The close-up of interlinked tree roots and animals interacting in the wild illustrate the intricate web of life. Every element is connected, and every action we take has a ripple effect on the environment. Let's share the story of Puerto-Princesa Subterranean River National Park with our families, communities, and leaders. Community gatherings and collaborative conservation efforts show us the power of unity in protecting our natural heritage. Let's work together to make sure this natural wonder, and many others like it, continue to amaze us for many years to come. By discussing nature and holding community meetings about conservation, we can ensure that the message of preservation is passed on. Leaders speaking at environmental events and community leaders advocating for nature remind us that everyone has a role to play. Whether through policy, education, or personal action, we can all contribute to the cause. Let's work together to make sure this natural wonder, and many others like it, continue to amaze us for many years to come. The wide view of the subterranean river and the panoramic views of natural wonders are a call to action for all of us. The diverse ecosystems in the park and the breathtaking natural landscapes are a reminder of the beauty and complexity of our planet. They inspire us to take action and protect what we have. Let's ensure that these natural wonders continue to inspire and amaze us for generations to come. The time-lapse of nature scenes and tourists marveling at the beauty of the park are a testament to the enduring allure of our natural heritage.